Yo, what's up everyone? We're going to be doing a Deepwoken progression today. Blue Lightning, so it's going to be really sexy. And we're going to get right into it and go ahead and start killing some people. Let's sail! Okay, so you might be wondering, bro, Oven, why are you here next to this guy? What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to go contractor. I decided I'm going to go contractor, so I'm just going to go talk to this guy, kill a couple dudes to level up, and then we should be moving on. This will also be a spear build, by the way, guys. Okay, I'm just going to check on you guys when on level 2, I mean. Perfect, there we go. Sound from below. Nice. Blood Iron Spirit off rip, I'll take it. I'm actually going to burn Loot Skipper. I'll take that. Let's just go proficiency. In my last Deepwoken video about a year ago, I missed one of those, so I'm gonna take it. Dog is just enjoying the view. Hold on, let me just...
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Yo! Come on, now y'all don't wanna jump me like that. Oh, come on, bro. I was gonna let you enjoy your view and everything, and you just treat me like this? Now you're just gonna attack me? This is how I feel about you. Wait, that might be a potential victim. I think it is a potential victim. Oh yeah, this guy's dead. He's done for. And he's heavy. Might actually die. No, I'm not gonna die. Bro, he just called me a mutt. I've been struggling to find like just one person to kill for ministry for so long. We're spinning back. I don't care if I go to the steps for this one. Bro, people always gotta use my shit. All right, you know what? I'll spin back. I'll spin back later. I gotta prepare. Perfect, bro. Okay. I'll take Fishman. I'll take this. Condition Swimmer. I want this to be a swimming build, guys. So I got my trainer. That's all I need right now. Now I'm level 3 and I'm about to go attack that dude again because I failed miserably last time. So I just got a spear from those cool gentlemen over there. They're really nice. Yo, these, bro, neither one of these are in any of use to me, but it's alright, because that's what I mean. Easy. I don't want any assassin talents. I'll take swords. Oh crap! I'll take. None of those. Roll do. Move past after successfully dodging an attack. I'm asking him if he's got a spare one of these. And then just kill him.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情有冰淇淋。
Oh yeah, this guy's butt booty cheeks. Come on, give me your butt booty cheeks. Uppercut. Oh shit, damn, bro. Yoink. Goodbye, friend. I won't take any of his stuff. I just wanted to kill, bro. I just need the grip. Anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and accept that grip, and it'll be. Oh, there's a guy down there. That might be my foe. So let me get the fuck out of here. I wonder what kind of levels I got from that though. 10 health. Wait, 13 health boots. Yo, buy me them on. Pop me some sunglasses right quick. Yeah. Yeah. Now we're looking a little bit sophisticated. Yeah? Sophisticated. Now we can just go up to anyone with trust and charisma. Look, this is the anti-charisma build. Alright? There's charisma 0. But we look charismatic. It's the anti-charisma build. No charisma needed to be the ultimate charismatic person. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, that was the first kill for the ministry. I feel like that guy is killable. Yeah, that's the Adept Thunder Call I like to see.
Get your fat ass back here.
eliminated the target. Level up. I'll take Warrior's Respite. You know I gotta do that. I gotta take... Alright, evasive expert. Get out of my face, bro. And who is this
Why you
guy,
bully
bro?
me? Why
And
you
this
bully
guy.
me?
And then there's
Why
this
you
guy,
bully
bro.
me?
Come on. I'm only a level 4 now. I can't do everything. Okay, I think I'm going to get proficiency.
Why are you gay?
You know what? Fuck this guy. I'm gonna fight him.
Bruh.
Bro, the NPC sold. I'll just go back to Etris anyways. I need to sell some stuff. Get more trainers. Hey, can I borrow some money? Please? Okay. Fine. Look. Fuck it. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. I don't need 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 it. Don't need it. Dumbbell. Fuck that. Need a boulder. Yes, sir. Okay. Now I can bounce back. Now I can bounce back. Y'all get what I'm saying now. Hey. I'll get Blade Dancer too. Speed Demon. Oh my god. Oh, it's too good. It's too good. I'll take Thunder Kick. Yes, sir. I gotta get some new jeans on. I gotta put some new jeans on. Oh, yeah, baby. You know your boy gets drippy. Yes, sir. You know your boy gets drippy. Yeah. Welcome, Traveler. Don't talk to me like that. Hold up. Alright, back to killing innocent people. Actually, you know what? I would be down to test my Thunder Kick right here. Nice. That's actually really cool. Hey, look. We got all this drip, but we can't afford a new boat. We got all this drip, but we still can't afford a new boat. What the hell, man? So basically, what we're gonna do from now is, I got my Thunder Call to 25. I want to get it to 40 so I can have 2-star mantras for anything, and then I want to start getting my intelligence up. Oh, I want to start getting my intelligence up as well. I'll keep my agility here until like level 10, and then medium weapon, I'm just gonna keep increasing as well. And I think we actually found someone to kill as well. Oh, they're gonna fight back? Easy kill, easy kill. Let's just focus this guy real quick. They're hitting each other, perfect. Health pack, nice. Yo, I actually just healed mid-fight, bro. What is this? What is this? Yo, what? Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. This is my kill. GG. Damn, bro. I actually just triple killed them, bro. I should have saved, bro. Save some for me, man. Save some for me. Save some for me. Oh, I told y'all they couldn't touch me because of my charisma. Oh, this guy wants. No. He wants to fight. He wants to fight again. I'll take kickoff. Oh, I'll take that. That'll definitely come in handy. I'll also take ether kit. Blade dancer. Proficiency 4. I'm just trying to convince this guy. Ah. Well, hopefully I'll get extra rep. Oh, let me steer. Let me drive the boat. Yo, let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
Yay. Okay, let's go kill more group of people down here, and I'm gonna try to look at these guys. Look at these noobs, bro. I think I'm gonna jump them. I think I'm going to.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up. Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Fight back!
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Okay, so I just gripped that guy. That was pretty easy. So I'm gonna heal up and I'm gonna go try to kill that guy over there. So I think this is just a bunch of group of freshies. Y'all saw that combo that I hit though. That was hard. That was a pretty. All right, let's be honest. That was pretty cool, bro. This build is already cracked as frick, bro. I cannot wait to see what it's gonna look like later. Oh my god. Just gotta level up. Oh, Grand Javelin. Crap. Wait, why'd I choose the Wisp, bro? I tried to freeze the Wisp. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go turn in my thing and then go jump these guys again. Alright guys, I just found the person that I'm trying to kill. Oh, there's a void walker right here. Yo, I'm gonna help this guy. Okay, so I think I kind of lost to that void walker. But it's alright because there's someone down here that I'm gonna kill. This guy or these guys. He's getting jumped. He is indeed getting jumped. I'll be happy to slide in. Why not? Round 2. Damn, bro. I might actually lose here. GG. Damn, I was just not on point. Oh my god, I'm all the way back at Etris. I don't need anything here. I'll just take a free level while it's here. Why not? Never hurts to take a free level. Assassinating a target applies anti-heal. Yeah, but I don't think I can even assassinate a target, right? Thick endurance runner. Oh, lightning assault isn't bad. Yeah, I like electro carve. I'll take electro carve, why not? Okay, now it's time for your edition. I'm interested in a boat, please. Spawn me a sloop. Yeah. I'm gonna go double check if I actually did the quest with this guy. Okay. I see how it is. Deepwoken. I see how it is, Deepwoken. We're back in, and I'm just making sure that... Okay, yeah, I'm not yet. Alright, cool. We got Electro Carve. Looks so nice. I love the updated Electro Carve. It looks awesome. Hopefully there's some average Joes here that I can take advantage of. Oh, there's a Void Walker right there, so just gonna wait for him right here, I guess. Yeah, come here, bro. Yeah, bro. What's that? What's that? What's up? What's up? Yeah, running. He's running, bro. I got this Void Walker running. Yo, what are you running for, bro? What are you running for, bro?
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Bro, nobody cares that you're too laggy, my bro.
打开海盗王国，现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是 速度与激情就冰淇淋，速度与激情。
Yes. Always got to be a little bit toxic in Deepwoken, you know what I'm saying? Well, I think that counts as a grip for the ministry rep. Yeah, I don't think anyone's here right now. Hey, look who came for round 2. Come here, bro. Come here. I don't care what level you are. I need the grips, alright?
Oh, hell no, man.
I'm gonna get ganked. I'm not trying to get ganked in this solo progression, guys. I'm not trying to get ganked. So, you know what? It is a good theory. Come, go, hey, yeah. He said bet, bet, bet. He said bet. He said bet, bet, bet. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God, so many of them just joined. Oh crap. Oh my God. All right. This is good. This is good. This is gonna be good. We're gonna gank him, guys. We got this. We got this. He said bet, 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 bet. No, come here, come here, come here. You ain't running yet. You ain't running yet. Hold on. Where do you think I'm going? I am right on your ass.
Get your fat ass back here.
I am right on your ass. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Where you going? Where you going? Nowhere. Nowhere. Come here, Jet. Come here, bro. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Yeah, get on out of here. It's my land. I ain't going over there. Think I'm going over there? No. Yo, Fos. What up, Fos? But I'm not. That's not what I'm doing. That's not what I'm doing. All right, cool. Ministry no longer see me worth fighting. That is good. Wait, that's my friend. Bro, what the fuck? Wait, Fo seeks a Toki. Hey, as long as I'm with folks seeks a Toki, guys, everything's all good. I do want to get the 60 Thunder Call though. Or 40 Thunder Call. For level 10.
How many solo chasers do you
Yo, this guy's getting ganked right in front of me. It's gonna be like, and Dimitri's gonna be like,
He just walked up that ladder like it was nothing.
Dude, you should have asked him. That would have knocked him off.
Alright, y'all. I'm in the middle of editing this video right now. I'm not even in the middle. I'm almost done with editing this video right now. It's 1:19 a.m. It's the second day of editing. Like, 2 whole days editing this shit. Of staying up till like 4 a.m. This is what y'all got me on. Shit better go fucking viral. Oh. Surge.
Your time at Surge.
Wait, y'all watch Hunter x Hunter?
I've seen Hunter x Hunter.
You're a faggot too? No way! We can tell, because I'm us. Nice to meet you. Shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna take Impervious Lumber. Ooh, yeah. I want my monsters to do as much damage as possible, so that's not happening. Lightning Assault. Take Grand Javelin. I guess I'm getting kinda used to being someone. So I didn't make an outro for this part of the video because I didn't think that I was gonna just end it on level 10. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This took me a whole 2 days to edit. I'm not even joking, and this video is gonna do better than Supa's video. I'm coming out for you, Supa. All right. This build is going to be the best Blue Thunder build ever. All right, mark my words.